Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Husni Abdul Ghafur, and in this occasion I wanna explain about what is young learners, type of young learners, and how to handle them in the classroom. So there are 7 types of young learners. First is energetic and active. Second is can't stay still for too long. Next is spontaneous. Next is curious. Next is imaginative. Next is touches things, and the last one is kinesthetic learners. So energetic and active young learners is young learners that likes to move a lot and enjoys physical activities like sports like that. So how to deal them in the class is use movement based activities like action songs, total physical response, or classroom games that allow students to stand, move, and participate physically in the classroom. Or maybe you can assign roles that require movement, such as handing out materials or leading a chant. Next is can still for too long. This type of young learners can easily get bored or distracted in the class when they're just sitting. So for the strategy to handle them in the classroom is you can break lessons into short or varied segments, like 5 or 10 minutes for each segment. Include brainstorming or include brainstorming, and also you can add some stretching or quick game between the lesson for make them not easily get bored. So you can use learning stations or rotation activities so they can move around. Next is spontaneous young learners act quickly without much planning, like they can uh, make some move that you will never expect before. So the strategy how to deal with this type of young learners in the classroom is you can use open-ended activities like storytelling, drawing, or improvisation, where their spontaneous can so they can use their spontaneous in the classroom activities. So you can provide choices so that can make they feel more control, and set clear rules to balance freedom with classroom management. Next is a curious type of young learners. This type they are always wants to know more about something. So the strategy how to handle them is you can encourage exploration by using question and answer session. You can use real object to discovery based learning, like mini science experiment, or maybe you can show the things and they will ask about uh, something on that things like that. So you can let the students ask question and reward their curiosity with praise or opportunity to research, or maybe you can uh, give them reward by things or many more based on uh, it's depends on you. Next is imaginative type of young learners. Imaginative type of young learners, they are likes to create stories or ideas. It's similar to spontaneous, but this is more creative. So for this type, you can use incorporate creative tasks like storytelling, role play, drawing, and also you can use visual like animals, magic, and adventures to stimulate their imagination. Or maybe you can read a story, tell a story for them so they can imagine the story. Next is touches things. So touches things type of young learners, they are learns by feeling and exploring objects with their hands. So they are like to touch something because they are learn from that. So for this type of young learners, you can use a strategy like provide hands-on material like blocks, puzzle, or real-world objects. Or maybe you can use some uh, Play-Doh, like Play-Doh. You can let them manipulate item while learning, like arranging card words to form into a sentence touching an alphabet letter. Or maybe you can let them use their imagination to make something from puzzle or blocks like Lego, like that. And the last one is kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners, they are easily understand through movement, action, and hands-on experience. So this type is similar to touches things, and like touches things type of young learners. They're quite similar. So the strategy, you can use the same strategy like touches things type of young learners. Or maybe you can design a lesson with movement and physical interaction, like acting out verbs, walking to match pictures with words, or maybe playing games like find and touch games. So you can use crafts and and you can manipulate so you can manipulative them to support their learning through touch and action. uh, that's all for the explanation of type of young learners. So young learners are very energetic, active, and full of curiosity. They are often find it hard to sit still for long periods and enjoy moving around. They are spontaneous, imaginative, and like to explore the world by touching and interacting with things. As kinetic learners, they learn best through hands-on activities on physical movement. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.